first of all, you must become an AD, so an open company. Then you have to adopt a series of resolution in order to guarantee the transparency, in order to guarantee, let's say, that the company is a management company, is not an owner company. You have to achieve the balance sheet certification, so you need to have auditors to review your balance sheet, your financial positions, and so on and so on. All of these papers together, once collected, allow you to start working on the prospectus. The prospectus is the basic document out of which the Security Exchange Commission can evaluate if you are entitled and eligible for becoming a really public floated company. And after they give you their feedback, then you effectively become a publicly traded company. For sure, it's a sign of change. We are the first one, they told me, after 78 years, so it has been a long pause. It's important for all the parties which are involved. It's important for us because we intend to collect locally part of the resources that we are going to invest locally, and that makes sense. We always do that. We did that in Italy, we're doing it here, we're doing this in other countries. The other important issue is it's a sign of novelty for the Serbian market. Serbian investors don't have many alternatives if they want to dispose their savings. Or you buy an apartment, or you buy governmental bonds. I don't think there are many other options to Serbian savers. So this is a nice option to be a part of our design, to be a part of our project, to contribute for the development of the country, and to be a part of a company which is fully transparent. Italians are the largest savers in the world, together with the Japanese. The private savings are much higher than our public debt. So Italian families have savings for something like 8 trillion euros. So Italians are very careful, and they all the families, they have, you know, this habit to look at new investments and to diversify the investment. And this, I think, is generally speaking a good approach. You cannot just invest in apartments or real estate. You have to diversify the employment of your sources in order to have a decreased risk, because maybe you will have a real estate bubble, or maybe you will have a problem with the stock markets or with the FX, with the trading. So the balance is always a good idea because it reduces your risk and it gives you the possibility to count on returns on the long term. So this is something that smart families do, and I think Serbs will do the same. Fintel will keep on growing in the country. We have several projects to be finished, so we are now collecting the resources in order to bring them to light. We expect a huge appetite from investors for the reasons I said before, because there is no many alternatives of investment at the moment. And so far what we, let's say, learned is that there is pretty much appetite for our kind of venture, and there is a lot of people which are calling, writing, and they would like to have more information. So Serbia has a lot of resources, has a lot of families which have savings, and they would like to invest these savings in a profitable way and contributing to build something for the future of the country.